Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Jiva activated charcoal face pack with argan oil. So before starting of this video, here's a little bit disclaimer that before using any product for the first time on your skin, please go for a patch test. Always do a patch test irrespective of the product. The product might be the best selling, it might be the 5-star product rated on the online, but that's not necessary guys that it will suit you. It might suit my oily acne prone skin, but that might not suit you. It may give a reaction. So basically what you have to do is patch test it. Like, you have to apply a little bit of product on your skin, wait for at least 12 to 24 hours to see that you are not getting any rashes, redness, itching, or any type of reaction on your skin. If you're okay with it, then yes, you can go with it ahead. But if you have any kind of even a minor reaction, then please don't continue using it just because your product might get wasted. Or I do understand that you don't want to waste your hard-earned money which you have invested in that product, but if you are going to use that product in spite of the reaction, then definitely your skin is going to suffer, and it will cost you more harm than the actual product price which you have invested in it. So now let's getting start with the product, talking about the packaging. uh, okay, now this Jiva is an Indian brand which has a variety of face masks, wax, nose strips, and other skincare products. And that is charcoal face mask face pack is a very well-known product, and since its launch it had many positive reviews, and I have used it for more than a year, and this is my second purchase. I really like it, so yes, we'll talk about it. So this is the packaging. It comes in this sturdy plastic tub which is transparent so that you can see the it is, yes, see the content of the product, how much it is there, and it's convenient. It has this black color screw cap with a white color inside, and this lid protects the product from spillage. So travel purpose wise it is good. It is friendly, travel friendly, you can carry it, the product is not going to come out. And this tub comes in this small square cardboard box. This was all about the packaging, and yes, it is an 100 gram of product for rupees 449, but you can always get it on discount on Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon, or even on their website, which is www.jiva.coin. They have their own website, and what it claims is that get instantly brighter, healthier looking skin, a soft creamy formula that applies nicely and is also easy to wash off without drying your face. Gentle exfoliation of activated bamboo charcoal removes dead cells and impurities, while antioxidant benefit of argan oil helps to give skin a natural boost and acts as a great natural moisturizer. A must-have product for all skin types. And the entire list of the ingredients is given here, and for application it says that apply the pack to the face and neck, avoiding contact with eyes, leave in for 5 to 7 minutes, rinse with warm water. So this is about the packaging and the ingredients. Little info about the main ingredient, which is the activated charcoal and argan oil, is that it is said to be rich in antioxidants and helps to clean the gunk out of your skin without drying it, and even it removes dead cells and impurities by gentle exfoliation. Now my take on this product is that I have used it for many months, and religiously I was using it. I had incorporated it in my weekly cleansing routine. So yes, it is a very good product for oily skin. I have a very oily and acne prone skin, but it makes my skin soft, super clean, and gives it a instant glow. Most important is that it suits my acne prone skin, and trust me guys, it makes your face feel fresh. Yes, it does had a citrusy smell, but it goes off very quickly. Like, the smell is not that pungent or intolerable type. It is good, like it is a mild fragrance, you can say. Talking about the texture of this face pack is creamy. It is like smoothie texture. So, like a mousse, you can say, creamy formula, creamy texture. It is very soft and creamy. You have to just apply it directly. I know it might seems to be so unhygienic while dipping your finger in, but what you can do is that you just dip it once and get the entire, wash your hands, dip it once and get the entire product which you want to use at one time, and so that the product will be less contaminated. And I like it to you apply by my fingers itself. I like it that way. And I do wash my hands before and after properly. That is the way I like it anyways. So coming to the face pack, what I do is that it says that you have to keep it for 5 to 7 minutes, but I do keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. I like it that way, and it, since it has a moussey and creamy texture, it won't become dry, so it won't become stretchy and patchy. It won't develop cracks even after keeping for a long time. Even while washing off the face pack, it gets goes off like easily. It is not like some other packs which cracks or becomes hard, and while washing off it becomes quite difficult. You have to rub and tug your skin to get rid of the face pack. It is not that. It is very smooth. Like, once it gets in touch with the warm water, it's again goes into that emollient texture, and it goes off your skin easily. So it does not makes the skin feel stretchy or very dehydrated and dry. And yes, it is very good. So definitely it is a must try product. So that was all for today, guys. We'll see you soon. Till then, take care, goodbye, and do subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to like, share, and comments. And yes, thank you for watching. Bye bye.